Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of my unboxing and demo. So what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and unbox this. So I got this one from Aliexpress, and if you're interested, I'm gonna include the link down in the description below so you can check it out. So this is the smart auto tracking camera. The features are cloud storage, HD quality, two-way audio, motion detection, and it has a IR cut for IR night vision. It has also auto alarm, time recording, remote access, Wi-Fi connection. It works for both iOS and Android. Cloud storage, P2P server. For the TF card, it supports from 8 to 128 gigabytes, and it also does have pan and tilt control. First, it comes with the quick setup guide or the user's manual to configure this one onto your network. The manual is very informative and it's easy to follow. Comes with the 5-volt power adapter, and it works for both 110 to 220 volts. Also comes with the micro USB cable. It also includes the reset pin tool. Last but not least, the robot camera itself. The robot has the curve, branding, which you can easily remove. It's just sticker. And also on the bottom, there's a QR code label. On the back, there's a micro USB port for the power. And the arms can be moved or adjust. And also on the top, there is a reset, button, and the memory card slot. The camera is about 7 inches tall. First, you have to download the YCC 365 Plus app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Create the account and add the camera, and then follow the step-by-step instructions. To make the camera in a pairing mode, first you need to do is plug it in, open the app, and then add the camera.
Please configure camera by AP hotspot or scanning code.
Once you hear the voice prompt from the camera itself, all you have to do is scan the QR code from the app to continue the configuration process. And then you're gonna hear the double beep. That means that it captures the information and ready to go to the next step.
Please wait for Wi-Fi connecting. Internet connected. Welcome to use cloud camera.
At the last step of the installation process, it will ask you to name your camera. So for me, I just entered RoboCam. The app will ask you permission access, so all you need to do is to accept those permissions. Otherwise, you might not get the notifications if the camera detects sound or motions. That's all, guys. So this is the smart auto tracking camera unboxing and demo. Overall, I'm impressed with this camera for less than $20. It has a tons of good features. The auto tracking, night vision, two-way audio, and clear video footage you can get out of this camera. And it can also blend into like a toy collection, and you won't even notice that it's a camera. I hope this video is helpful, and if you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Stay safe, everyone. Matinik signing off. Hey.